Do you want to learn about one-to-one functions? If yes, then you clicked on the right video.
By the end of this video, you should be able to distinguish one-to-one functions, find their corresponding inverse functions, and graph one-to-one functions and their inverse.
What is a one-to-one function?
A function is one-to-one if each of its x values corresponds to a unique value of y.
Is there a way to test if a function is a one-to-one?
Yes, there is. It is called the horizontal line test. Firstly, the function should be in a graphical form. If the horizontal line does not intersect at more than one point, the function of the graph is one-to-one.
One-to-one functions' inverses can be determined by interchanging the x and y values of the one-to-one function and solving for y in terms of x afterwards.
Now we will be presenting examples of one-to-one function and their inverse.
The first problem is f of x is equals 1 over 2x plus 1.
It is a one-to-one function because the horizontal line does not intersect the graph at more than one point.
We verified that this is a one-to-one function. We should change f of x to y. So it will be y is equals to 1 over 2x plus 1. Step 3. Interchange all the variable y to x and vice versa. So it will be x is equals to 1 over 2y plus 1. Solve y in terms of x. So it's going to be x times 2y plus 1 is equals to 1. And that will be 2y plus 1 is equals to 1 over x. Then it's going to be 2y is equals to 1 over x minus 1. We will multiply 1/2 to both sides. So it's going to be 1/2 times 2y is equals to 1 over x minus 1 times 1/2. And it's going to be y is equals to 1 over 2x minus 1/2. The inverse function is 1 minus x over 2x.
f of x is equals to 2x minus 4. Step 1. To verify that this function is one-to-one, let f of x sub 1 be equal to f of x sub 2. Now, we have f of x sub 1 is equal to 2x sub 1 minus 4 and f of x sub 2 is equals to 2x sub 2 minus 4. Using properties of equality, we have 2x sub 1 minus 4 is equals to 2x sub 2 minus 4. Then, 2x sub 1 is equals to 2x sub 2. Then, final is x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. Therefore, f of x is equals to 2x minus 4 is a one-to-one function. To find the inverse function, step 1. Change f of x to y. Then it will be y is equals to 2x minus 4. Step 2. Interchange all variable y to x and vice versa. It will be x is equals to 2y minus 4. Step 3. Solve y in terms of x. So it will be x equals 2y minus 4. Divide the both sides by 2, so it will be x over 2 equals 2y minus 4 over 2. 2 will be cancelled, so it will be x over 2 equals y minus 2. Transpose 2 on the other side, so the final answer is 2 plus x over 2 equals y. Step 4. Substitute the variable y using the notation for inverse function. And the inverse function is 2 plus x over 2.
f of x is equal to x plus 4 all over 3x minus 2.
It is a one-to-one function because the horizontal line does not intersect the graph at more than one point.
Next, step 1 is to change f of x to y so that the equation will become y is equal to x plus 4 all over 3x minus 2. Step 2 is to change x and y. So it will become x is equal to y plus 4 all over 3y minus 2. Step 3 is to solve y in terms of x. So the equation x is equal to y plus 4 all over 3y minus 2 will become x multiplied to the quantity of 3y minus 2 is equal to y plus 4. Then we will distribute x to both terms, so it will become 3xy minus 2x is equal to y plus 4. Next is to combine like terms. So 3xy minus y is equal to 4 plus 2x. Since y is a common factor of 3xy minus y, it will become y multiplied to the quantity of 3x minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2x. Isolating y, the equation will then result to y is equal to 4 plus 2x all over 3x minus 1, which is now the inverse of the function x is equal to x plus 4 all over 3x minus 2.
Thank you all.